So you need to know how to get to the setup menu inside of Salesforce. The setup menu in Salesforce is where you're going to do all of the heavy lifting on the back end of your Salesforce org. So let's learn how to get there. So let's imagine that we're in the service app, or we could be in another app like marketing, content, community, or the sales app, or whatever other app. So let's imagine that we're in one of those apps right here, and then we want to get to the setup page to do all of our system admin work. So what we're going to do is we'll click on this little wheel gear button over here in the far right corner of the screen, and we'll click that, and then we'll click setup. And now we're in the setup menu. And this is where you're going to set up everything that you're going to do as a system administrator on the back end of Salesforce. And we'll get into all of that as we go throughout the course. But that is how you get to the setup menu inside of Salesforce Lightning.